So ngayon, puntahan natin tong model house. And ito yung dating unit na ino-offer nila, Isabel. Wala pa siyang 3 kilowatt na solar setup. But itong unit na to, ginawa nilang model house, nilagyan nila ng 3 kilowatt solar setup. Sa loob, tingnan natin kung gaano kaganda at ano ang advantage pag naka 3 kilowatt solar setup tayo. Pasukin natin sa loob. Let's go. Let's get inside. And by the way, again, same size ng lot, 65 square meter, and the floor area is 48 square meter. Let's go. Ito yung parking lot. Katabi ng parking mo is the firewall of your neighbor. And now, welcome to the model unit. As we get inside, we can see a 1.5 horsepower aircon, and this aircon is powered by our solar panels on the roof. So ito yung mga inverters niya. And so for example, pag madilim or biglang nag-cloudy, yung mga inverters dito, siya na yung nagko-control when is the best time na mag-switch sa grid or sa solar panels. So hindi ka na problema na ikaw pa yung mag-turn off or on when time comes na, for example, lalo na pag mga 5 p.m. madilim, so wala nang sun, and itong inverter na to, siya na yung mag-switch ng ating electricity. And this is the 2.5 HP battery na free din sa unit for our Aurora model. That one. So ito yung Isabel unit, and ganito nila dinesign yung interior. Ayan. So this is the kitchen, the dining area. They placed the refrigerator here, cabinets here, dividers. There's also cabinets here in this area. The faucet is here. All right. And let's get inside or on the second floor. So wide yung stairs niya. And this is how they designed the second floor. Merong mini family area here in which pwede mo din siyang gawing another or second room if you like. And this one, this is the master's bedroom. So this is how they designed the master's bedroom. May 1 horsepower aircon. All right. Ito yung makikita natin sa labas. Makikita mo yung mga kapitbahay mo dito. Ayos, no? So upon turnover, they provide provision for 1 room. Sila na yung gagawa ng partition. Ang second room is, it's up to you if gagawin mo siyang second room or you would make it like this. So you have an option sa interior. No problem in the interior because you have the freedom to design whatever you want or whatever you want to do inside your unit. Right? So let's go down. Alright, so this is the CR, basic CR natin. So yeah, as you can see, it looks elegant and spacious to look at, even though 24 square meter lang siya sa every floor, but the design looks spacious. Diba? Kita nyo naman. Ayan. So ngayon ako, sobrang lamig na ng aircon. Actually, the whole place is cold na siya. Kahit pupunta ka dito sa kitchen area. Here. Feel mo pa rin yung lamig ng aircon. So ngayon, i-discuss ko lang kung anong klaseng materials yung ginamit nila to build this unit. So again, there's a concrete plus rice hull equals infill. So itong infill, ito yung gamit nila, this one. So yung walls na to is naka-infill siya, binuhos nila, ganito na yung result. And the advantage of this is that, first of all, fire resistant siya. Second is, it is also like an insulator na kahit mainit sa labas, hindi mo ma-feel na sobrang init because it has an insulator properties. So they promise na because of this kind of technology, the infill, the hotness outside, kung pupunta ka sa loob, minus 2 degrees Celsius yung init. Diba? So, hindi mo talaga ma-feel na sobrang init because it has 2 degrees Celsius na difference sa temperature. Alright, so ipapakita ko din yung foundation na ginamit dito. They are using these building technologies, the LGS, alright, or the light gauge steel. And as you can see, sturdy siya. Kahit yun sa picture, maraming tao yung nasa second floor. But sturdy siya. At the same time, this LGS technology is shockproof. So it has a certain intensity na kaya niyang i-hold. Ang LGS daw kasi is, it's a kind of foundation na flexible siya, but it helps na ma-prevent niya yung pag-crack ng mga concrete if there are earthquakes because it is flexible. So parang ganon yung explanation nila. Alright? So labas tayo dito sa exit. Ayan, so ito yung exit papuntang service area. By the way, this is your service area. Dito ka pwedeng maglaba, magwash, magsampay ng mga labahin mo. Paglabas mo dito, ito na yung parking area. And the parking area can accommodate SUVs, big cars, because it's spacious and mahaba siya, hindi short yung parking area niya. This is it. Alright, so ngayon alis muna ako because I will give all the details to my client. And for that, if you want to have a unit like this in Georgia Villa subdivision, just comment down below, message me or contact me. I will put my digits here. And I hope you will continue to subscribe to my channel, Unboxing Real Estate PH. Click like, share this video if you have learned something new today. Salamat. God bless us all. See you on my next videos. Bye-bye.